Microsoft Sentinel is a cloud-native SIEM and SOAR solution. It is designed to help organizations detect, prevent, and respond to security threats in real time. By leveraging the power of the cloud, Microsoft Sentinel offers unparalleled scalability and flexibility, making it an ideal choice for businesses of all sizes. SIEM stands for Security Information and Event Management. It is a critical component in modern cybersecurity strategies, providing a centralized view of security events across an organization's entire IT infrastructure. SIEM systems collect and analyze data from various sources to identify potential security threats and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. SOAR stands for Security Orchestration, Automation, and Response. This technology streamlines and automates the process of responding to security incidents, reducing the time it takes to mitigate threats. SOAR solutions integrate with existing security tools and workflows, enabling security teams to respond more effectively and efficiently. Microsoft Sentinel helps organizations manage security threats by providing a comprehensive suite of tools for threat detection, investigation, and response. It enables security teams to quickly identify and address potential threats before they can cause significant damage. It collects data from various sources, including network devices, servers, applications, and cloud services. This data is then analyzed to identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate a security threat. These sources include Azure services, on-premises systems, and other cloud platforms. By integrating data from multiple sources, Microsoft Sentinel provides a holistic view of an organization's security posture. Microsoft Sentinel provides a single platform for security monitoring, making it easier for security teams to manage and respond to threats. The unified dashboard offers real-time visibility into security events, enabling quick and informed decision-making. You can use it to analyze security data, detect threats, and respond to incidents. The platform's advanced analytics capabilities help identify potential threats before they can escalate, allowing for proactive threat management. It uses advanced analytics and machine learning to enhance threat detection and response. These technologies enable Microsoft Sentinel to continuously learn and adapt to new threats, improving its effectiveness over time. This helps identify suspicious activities and potential attacks, providing security teams with the information they need to take immediate action. By leveraging machine learning, Microsoft Sentinel can detect even the most sophisticated threats. With Microsoft Sentinel, you gain insights into your security posture, helping you understand where your vulnerabilities lie and how to address them. The platform provides detailed reports and dashboards that highlight key security metrics and trends. You can identify vulnerabilities and protect your organization's assets. By proactively addressing security gaps, you can reduce the risk of data breaches and other security incidents. Whether you are new to SIEM and SOAR or an experienced security professional, Microsoft Sentinel offers a comprehensive set of tools. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and scalable, making it easy for organizations to implement and manage their security operations. These tools empower you to strengthen your security operations, improve threat detection and response, and ultimately protect your organization from cyber threats. With Microsoft Sentinel, you can stay ahead of evolving threats and ensure the security of your digital assets. Setting up Microsoft Sentinel is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or a beginner, this guide will walk you through the process. Follow these steps to get started with Microsoft Sentinel and enhance your security posture. First, create a Microsoft Sentinel workspace. This is the foundation of your Sentinel setup. A workspace is essentially a container for all your Sentinel data and configurations. It helps you organize and manage your security data efficiently. You can create a workspace directly in the Azure portal by navigating to the Sentinel section and selecting the Create Workspace option. Next, connect your data sources to Sentinel. This step is crucial as it allows Sentinel to collect and analyze data from various sources. These sources can include Azure Active Directory, Azure Security Center, and Amazon Web Services. By connecting these sources, you ensure that Sentinel has a comprehensive view of your environment. Then, enable analytics rules. Analytics rules are essential as they help detect threats and suspicious activities within your network. You can enable built-in rules provided by Microsoft or create your own custom rules tailored to your specific needs. Finally, configure incident settings. Define how Sentinel handles security incidents. This includes setting up incident types, severity levels, and response actions. You can create incident types, assign severity levels, and even set up automation rules to streamline your response process. By following these steps, you'll have a robust security monitoring system in place with Microsoft Sentinel. Microsoft Sentinel integrates with a wide range of data sources. These sources include Azure services like Azure Active Directory and Azure Security Center, seamlessly integrating with other Azure services. On-premises systems can also be connected to Sentinel. Use agents or other integration methods to connect on-premises servers and devices. Cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud Platform can be integrated as well. Additionally, you can connect Sentinel to third-party solutions such as firewalls, antivirus software, and other security tools. The Microsoft Sentinel interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Key sections include the dashboard, which provides an overview of security events. It shows alerts, incidents, and other key metrics. The logs section lets you search and query raw security data. You can use queries to investigate threats and create custom alerts. Workbooks are interactive reports. You can use them to visualize data and gain insights. The hunting section provides tools for proactive threat hunting. You can use queries and analytics to search for suspicious activities. Section 5. Creating and managing analytic rules. Analytic rules are the core of threat detection in Sentinel. These rules help you identify and respond to potential threats by analyzing data from various sources. They are essential for maintaining the security and integrity of your systems. To create a new analytic rule, you need to follow a few steps. This process ensures that your rules are tailored to your specific needs and can effectively detect any anomalies or threats. First, select the rule type. This is a crucial step as it determines the kind of data the rule will analyze and the type of threats it will look for. You can choose from built-in templates or go ahead and create a custom rule. Built-in templates are great for common scenarios, but custom rules allow for more flexibility and specificity. Next, define the rule logic. This step involves setting the conditions that will trigger the rule. The logic must be precise to avoid false positives and ensure accurate threat detection. This involves using query language to specify the conditions that will trigger the rule. The query language allows you to filter and analyze data in a detailed manner, making your rules more effective. After that, set the severity level. The severity level indicates the potential impact of the detected threat and helps prioritize the response. You'll want to assign a severity level to the rule based on its potential impact. This helps in categorizing the threats and deciding the urgency of the response. Finally, configure actions. This is where you specify what actions Sentinel should take when the rule is triggered. Actions can range from sending alerts to initiating automated responses, ensuring that threats are dealt with promptly. You've just created a new analytic rule in Microsoft Sentinel. With these rules in place, you can enhance your threat detection capabilities and better protect your organization from potential cyber threats. Section 6. Investigating security incidents. When Sentinel detects a threat, it creates an incident. To investigate an incident, review the incident details. Check the incident's severity, affected resources, and related alerts. Next, investigate the timeline. Use the incident timeline to see the sequence of events that led to the incident. Then, analyze related data. Pivot to related logs, workbooks, and other data sources to gather more context. Finally, take action. Remediate the threat by isolating affected systems, blocking malicious IPs, and more. Section 7. Automating threat response with playbooks. Playbooks in Microsoft. Sentinel automate incident response actions. To create a playbook, select a playbook template. Choose from pre-built templates or start from scratch. Then, define the workflow. Use a drag-and-drop interface to specify the steps in the playbook. Next, add actions. Include actions such as sending notifications, isolating devices, and blocking IPs. Finally, test and deploy. Thoroughly test your playbooks before deploying them to production. Section 8. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid when using Microsoft Sentinel. Not connecting all relevant data sources. Ensure you connect all systems and logs to Sentinel for comprehensive visibility. Using default rule settings without customization. Tune the default rules to match your organization's specific requirements. Ignoring alerts without investigation. Investigate all alerts promptly to identify false positives and potential threats. Not testing playbooks before deployment. Thoroughly test your playbooks in a non-production environment to avoid unintended consequences. Section 9. Conclusion: your journey to proactive security. Microsoft Sentinel is a powerful tool for strengthening security posture. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can effectively leverage Sentinel's capabilities. You can enhance your security operations. Remember to continuously monitor and adapt your Sentinel deployment. Address new threats and refine your defenses. Stay informed about the latest features and best practices. By doing so, you can stay ahead of emerging threats and maintain a robust security posture.